one of the leading companies in Vietnam, specializes in design consultancy, manufacturing, and installation processes of steel products and pre-engineered steel buildings for industrial and commercial construction works. With a vision of becoming a sustainably developed corporation in the steel business and one of the EPC contractors in heavy industry and civil engineering, DAI DUNG possesses 8 factories producing 150,000 metric tons of steel per year, not only meeting the needs of the Vietnam market, but also exporting. Having a facility area of 100 hectares, together with modern technological production lines, DAI DUNG supplies products to Vietnam and 40 other countries throughout the world. Having developed over 20 years, we have become a prestigious corporation in steel structure production and construction in Vietnam and Asia. Concentrating on a main area development and accompanied by innovative design, construction conception, and appropriate business strategy, DAI DUNG has been improving and affirming the value of a Vietnamese brand in the international market. DAI DUNG constantly innovates and pioneers in research and development in order for our products to be environmentally friendly and contribute to global clean energy consumption with our power plants, oil refineries, and heavy industry chemical plants. DAI DUNG always provides sustainable creative methods, creating superior values to satisfy customers' needs of benefits. With strength in design and construction, DAI DUNG proudly claims to be a reliable contractor in thermoelectricity, including Long Phu Thermal Power Plant with its large scale up to 60,000 metric tons in Soc Trang Province, Tra Vinh Coastal Thermal Power Plant, Tai Bin Thermal Power Plant, Takahara Thermal Power Plant, Nippon Corporation's thermal power plant in Japan, and Lingkou Tailin Thermal Power Plant in Taiwan. Oil refining works also need to be mentioned, with the Nissan Oil Refinery Plant in Thanh, Kamau Gas Factory, the Suntory Building in Japan, the Kogi Building in Japan, and many others. In addition, DAI DUNG is given credit for constructing numerous factories with total areas up to 150,000 square meters, such as Incom Fish Seafood Processing Factory, Lotte Long An Cold Storage, Denso Toyota, Wu Sun Vina, and Woventech New Vietnam. Holding the motto of maintaining credit and a reasonable price, DAI DUNG creates practical models with sustainability and aesthetic values, helping to save power. Our 20-year warranty period also proves and assures our product's quality. In terms of airport and port construction, DAI DUNG is proud to be the contractor constructing the extended station area of Tan Son Nhut Airport, as well as its international station and 5-floor parking lot. Noi Bai Airport, Vinh Airport, Bun Mi Thuot Airport, Phu Yen Airport, and many others in the world. Heavy industry factory construction is also DAI DUNG's strength, proved through years of experience. Among examples are Bridgestone Haiphong Tire Factory, Da Nang DRC Rubber Factory, Kasumina Rubber Factory, and Sailun China Tire Factory. Many others have also been constructed by DAI DUNG, such as Ba Son Factory and beverage factories Coca-Cola Vietnam, Coca-Cola Cambodia, Coca-Cola Malaysia, Pepsi Vietnam, and the Saigon Beer Factory system throughout Vietnam. To achieve today's success, human resources is the key factor. Acknowledging that, DAI DUNG aims at training productive employees with professional working skills, creativity, and responsibility. Not only do they help to build up the company, they also contribute to the country's development by providing beneficial construction work. Gathering here from all regions, employees together dedicate to the company. We shall not only be meeting the needs of customers in the future, but also expanding our market to ASEAN as well as to Europe, Japan, and the Middle East. DAI DUNG Metallic Manufacture Construction and Trade Corporation now focuses on manufacturing petrochemical refineries, thermal power plants, and heavy industrial plants, as well as key industries such as wind power and solar power, in order to meet the markets and serve customers. We are focusing on company reconstruction, simultaneously expanding the scale of our operations and factories. And we are investing in new automatic technologies to enhance our competitiveness in the international market. Competitiveness in quality control, products to affirm the brand name of DAI DUNG, as well as Vietnam's brand name in the global marketplace. DAI DUNG gives top priority to credit. As a result, we always do our best in each project to build trust and develop the company in today's competitive market. DAI DUNG ensures to be the best and most loyal companion of shareholders and customers. We create sustainable values on the basis of cooperation and respect for our customers. To us, it is DAI DUNG's brand in which success is rooted. The green color of youth represents DAI DUNG's achievements and credibility over the years and into the future. It is the primary base leading DAI DUNG to reach further success, not only in Vietnam, but overseas.